Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I will show you how a sequential action trigger switch works. A sequential action trigger switch is identified by the single nail on the trigger switch. It is intended for intermittent nailing wherever careful and accurate placement is desired. With our bump action trigger switch, we were able to depress the lever and just bump the brad nailer along and it would shoot a nail in. However, with our sequential action trigger switch, we're not able to do that. To get this to work, we have to press that shoe down all the way and then we can squeeze our trigger. And it's going to shoot one nail at a time in a very precise location.